Welcome to Health Watch Daily, your go-to source for all things health and wellness. Today we're discussing a topic that has been gaining popularity in recent years: the many health benefits of cider vinegar. Cider vinegar, also known as apple cider vinegar, is made from fermented apples and has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for various ailments. But what exactly are the benefits of cider vinegar, and how can we incorporate it into our daily lives? That's what we will talk about in this video. But before we get started, we wanted to let you know that we have a special bonus for you at the end of this video. So make sure to stay tuned until the very end for some extra motivation and inspiration. Now, let's get started with today's video on the many health benefits of cider vinegar. One of the most well-known benefits of cider vinegar is its ability to aid in weight loss. Studies have shown that consuming a small amount of cider vinegar before a meal can help reduce appetite and lower calorie intake. This is because cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which has been shown to slow down the digestion of carbohydrates and make you feel full for longer. This can lead to a decrease in overall calorie intake and ultimately lead to weight loss. Additionally, cider vinegar can help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a great option for those with diabetes or prediabetes. Cider vinegar is also known for its antibacterial properties, making it a great natural alternative for fighting off colds and flu. The acetic acid in cider vinegar has been shown to have antimicrobial properties, which can help kill off harmful bacteria in the body. This can help to prevent colds and flu, as well as other infections. It can also help with skin issues such as acne and age spots. Cider vinegar can be applied topically to the skin to help dry out and reduce the appearance of acne. It can also be used as a toner to help lighten age spots over time. One lesser-known benefit of cider vinegar is its ability to improve digestion. Consuming a small amount of cider vinegar before a meal can help stimulate the production of stomach acid, which can improve digestion and prevent indigestion. The acetic acid in cider vinegar can also help to break down food in the stomach, making it easier to digest. This can also help to prevent bloating and gas. Other benefits of cider vinegar include improving energy levels, helping with arthritis and joint pain, and even improving the health of your hair and skin. Cider vinegar can help to boost energy levels by regulating blood sugar levels. It can also help to reduce inflammation in the body, which can be beneficial for those with arthritis and joint pain. Cider vinegar can also be used as a rinse for your hair to help improve its health and shine. Cider vinegar can be consumed in small amounts, either on its own or mixed with water or honey, or it can be used in cooking. It is important to note that cider vinegar should always be diluted with water before consuming, as the acidity can be harmful to your teeth and throat. Now, let's talk about some examples and use cases. Adding a tablespoon of cider vinegar to a glass of water before a meal can help reduce appetite and lower calorie intake. Mixing a teaspoon of honey and a tablespoon of cider vinegar in a glass of water can help fight off colds and flu. Applying a small amount of cider vinegar to a cotton ball and applying it to age spots can help lighten them over time. Adding a tablespoon of cider vinegar to a salad dressing can help improve digestion and prevent bloating. Mixing a tablespoon of cider vinegar with a cup of warm water and using it as a rinse for your hair can help improve its health and shine. Consuming a small amount of cider vinegar with a glass of water before bed can help regulate blood sugar levels and improve energy levels in the morning. It's also important to note that it's best to always use raw, unfiltered, and organic apple cider vinegar for the best results. And it's also important to consult a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or routine. We hope you found this video informative and learned something new about the many health benefits of cider vinegar. Incorporating it into your daily routine can have a big impact on your overall health and well-being. Remember, always dilute it with water before consuming it and start with small amounts. Use raw, unfiltered, and organic apple cider vinegar for the best results, and consult a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or routine. Now, let's get to that bonus we promised you earlier. Our mission is to improve your health and well-being by empowering you to make sustainable lifestyle choices. That's why we've put together a list of some of the best items that can help you achieve your health and wellness goals. We all want to feel good and live a happy and healthy life. But when the day starts, we may feel groggy, with a headache, and feeling bloated. We may feel sluggish and worn out, or struggle with fatigue, brain fog, mood swings, and mental slowness, among other conditions. You can significantly improve your quality of life by checking the resources in the description and choosing the ones that are most suited to your current needs. Join the thousands of people who are experiencing vibrant health and living their best lives. Check the links in the description, and thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content. We post new videos every day, so hit that notification bell to make sure you don't miss out. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.